here. Challenge accepted. I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Awesome! You got this. All right, let's finish up the test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Alrighty then, just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Arcade steering! Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Keep on here we go! You got it! Keep going, champ! Nice! You got red wheels!